How to remove professional dashboard on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can remove professional dashboard on Instagram. Removing professional dashboard on Instagram is very easy. You just need to follow some steps, but before following those steps, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe option. So first thing first, open Instagram. After opening your Instagram, just go to your profile. So if you are a professional account, you will be able to see this professional dashboard option. Just refresh for once. After that, what you need to do is just tap on this menu bar. It may take a few seconds, but after tapping on it, you will be able to see this creator tools and controls option, which is available for professional accounts. Just tap on it. In here, you will be able to see switch account type. Just tap on it and tap on switch to personal account, which will delete your professional account. Just wait for some few seconds and you will be back to your personal account, which means that your professional dashboard has been removed from your profile. Refresh and you will be able to see that your professional dashboard has been removed from Instagram on your profile. So therefore, this is the method on how you can remove your professional dashboard on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.